Sorry about that. Just need to get my coffee real quick. This is a quick video, but I wanted to show you how I've been shooting POV content. I was recently in Cameroon, Africa, Douala, the city of Douala, and I was using this POV setup to get great behind the scenes content of what I'm shooting, where I'm at, where you can hear all the sounds and feel like you're maybe walking along with me in a way. All right, here is my POV setup, and it clips right onto my camera backpack shoulder strap. And it's the Peak Design V3. I absolutely love the Peak Design clip. This clamps right onto the shoulder strap, tightens down, and the quick release plate just goes right at the bottom of your camera, pops in there, and you can actually lock it so it'll stay. But this holds the camera very, very well. But it's not, to me, only just to hold my camera. That's a great feature, and that's one of the big selling points. You know, if you're walking around, you can just kind of clip that in there and you're good to go. What I like to use this for is my Insta360 X3. So I got an extra quick release plate that fits the Peak Design ecosystem here. And I use a ball head mount right here, just a little small cheap one. It goes right on the bottom of the camera and easily clamps on. And now I have this easy, ready to go POV mount. And because it's the 360 type, I can reframe later. I don't have to worry about where it's pointing. Obviously, this setup would also work with a GoPro. I would just recommend using the Super View. That way you can have as much content available. But the 360 is the best way to go for this. Just make sure when you're wearing it, you're not pushing your face into it too much. You know, that way you're not like getting in your own footage, which I've done a little bit of. But this is how I get the POV content, thanks to the Peak Design V3 clip. I think they run about 75 bucks, but they are worth it, and they are very good quality. If you're concerned about them, you know, falling off the shoulder strap or coming disconnected, don't worry about that. They are very, very secure. Now, obviously doing it like this, you're wearing a backpack. So if you're not gonna wear a backpack, then you may still want to either, you know, wear a, maybe a small sling that you can attach it to, or obviously you can always resort to like chest mounts or head mounts for other POV systems. Obviously those are great ways to do that, but I don't really want to wear a GoPro chest mount walking around the airport or walking around different places in different countries. Now you could, and that's totally fine, but what I like about this, it's quick, it's easy, it's right there. I can quickly take it on and off due to the Peak Design system. So I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can shoot your own POV content. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.